Welcome to Employment and Education News.
Please subscribe the channel to know the latest update. It is free. 90 assistant professor chemistry, commerce, computer science, economics, English, Hindi, history, mathematics, physics, political science, Sanskrit, environmental science, electronics vacancy in Rajdhani College. Eligibility master degree PhD. Last date for application 21 May 2022. Application fees 500 for UR, OBC, EWS and no fee for SC, ST. Office of the Director General, Assam Rifles Shillong, vacancy for technical and tradesmen. Eligibility 10th, 12th, ITI, Diploma in Civil Engineering, Diploma in Veterinary Science. Age limit between 18 to 23 years as on 1st August 2022. Apply between 6 June 2022 and 20 July 2022. Application fees 200 and no fee for SC, ST, women and ex-serviceman candidate. 186 Operation Technician, Boiler Technician, Maintenance Technician, Lab Analyst, Junior Fire and Safety Inspector post vacancy in Hindustan Petroleum Corporation Limited. Eligibility Diploma in Engineering, BSc, Physics, Chemistry, Mathematics. Age limit maximum 25 years. Last date for application 21 May 2022. Application fees 590 rupees and no fee for SC, ST and PWBD candidates. 55 Barber and Chowkidar post vacancy in HQ Southern Command. Eligibility 12th. Age limit between 18 to 25 years. Application procedure offline. Application should reach the office on or before 21 June 2022. India Government Mint vacancy for engraver and junior office assistant. Eligibility graduation with computer knowledge, Bachelor of Fine Arts. Age limit between 18 to 28 years. Apply between 7 May 2022 and 7 June 2022. Indian Oil Corporation Limited vacancy for junior engineering assistant. Eligibility 3 years diploma, BSc, Physics, Chemistry, Mathematics. Age limit between 18 to 26 years as on 30 April 2022. Apply between 7 May 2022 and 28 May 2022 and send hard copy of the documents up to 18 June 2022. Salary as per pay scale 25,000 to 1,05,000. 5 Assistant Law Officer post vacancy in National Thermal Power Corporation Limited. Eligibility LLB with 60%. Age limit maximum 30 years. Selection process Common Law Admission Test 2022. Application process apply online between 15 June 2022 and 29 June 2022 through the website www.ntpc.co.in with the CLAT admit card number. Salary as per pay scale 30,000 to 1,20,000. National Institute of Advanced Manufacturing Technology admission course for advanced diploma course in foundry technology and forge technology. Eligibility diploma in automobile manufacturing, metallurgical, mechanical, production engineering or BSc degree in physics, chemistry, mathematics. Application fees 600 and 300 for SC and ST. Application procedure offline. Application should reach the office on or before 3 June 2022. State Bank of India vacancy for Specialist Cadre Officer post. Eligibility BE or BTech in Computer Science, Information Technology, Software Engineering, Electronics and Communication Engineering or MCA or MTech or MSc in Computer Science, Information Technology, Electronics and Communication Engineering. Age limit maximum 32 years for System Officer and Executive, 35 years for Senior Executive and System Officer Performance, Senior Automation Test Engineer, 38 years for Senior Special Executive Project Manager and System Officer Project Manager, 40 years for System Officer Project Manager. Last date for application 17 May 2022. Application fees 750 and no fee for SC, ST and PWD candidate. Thanks for watching till the end.